James here again from NED Training Centre here in Dublin, and today we're going to talk a bit about sizes, okay? Now in English, when we're talking about quantity, size, whatever you want to call it, we have a few different adjectives that we can use, and they all have different meanings, okay? Let's start with just general size. When we're talking about size, we can use either small or big. For example, this one here is small, this eraser is big. Small, and big. If we move on to quantity here, we're talking about how many things do we have, or how much do we have, right? We're using little, so right now I don't have a lot of markers, I have little amount. Then I have a large amount, so little and large amount. Next then, we talk about height. Now this we use specifically for people or animals, let's say, as well. If someone is short, someone is short. If someone is tall, someone is tall. I'm not very tall. So we have short and tall. And then lastly, we have location. Now, we're talking about location in English for sizes. We can have two words. We can have something is low or something is high. If something is low, it's down low, it's low. But if something is high, it is high. Right now, I am high. Down there is low. So high, low, and our categories again, size, small and big, quantity, little and large, height, short and tall, location, high and low. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Take care.